Hello and welcome to the C lecture. Today we will start control structure. There are two types of control structure. One is known as decision making statement, that is if, and the another one is switch case. Let us continue with switch case. Switch case is used when we have multiple options. From the multiple options, we wish to continue our process with a single option. Let us take an example in a programming. Here we have integer a. User has to input value of a. Now, suppose we have options like a is 10 or a is 20 or a is 30. If user will input 10, 20 or 30, then we will give the output. Otherwise, we will generate an error message. For that, we have to write switch keyword, and into the switch we have to pass variable name. Here it is a. With switch we have to write one more keyword, that is case, and case value. After case value we have to write colon. Here case 10, and we are just printing a equals to 10. Then our next case is 20, that is printf, and into printf we are writing case 20. After that case 30, printf /n a equals to 30. And at last, default keyword is used to print some general, or we can say an error message, that is invalid option. So either user has to input 10, 20 or 30. Let us check. Control F9. Enter value. If we are giving 80, then we have an error message, that is invalid option. Again Control F9. Here we are giving 20. Oh, we have more than one output. A equals to 20, A equals to 30, and invalid option 2. We wish only 20 into the output, but after 20 all options are run by the system. Why so? Because After every case, we have to write one more keyword, that is break. Break is used to break the case, or we can say it is used to stop the execution of the next case from here. So in each and every case we have to write break at last. Into the default, no need to write break because default will be at last in each program. Now again run this program with Ctrl F9. I am giving 20. Now the output is ready. A equals to 20. One more time we can check with 10. So A equals to 10. So this is the use of switch case. Whenever we have multiple options, at that time we can use switch case. Yes, but one more thing, that with switch case we can pass only one variable. Thank you.